everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm Sepideh. I have 8 years of experience working with children. So I've also worked with IB methods, and since we are in this country, I try my best to act like it as much as I can in my country. I've watched so many videos about teaching children, but I rarely find a video that actually explain the steps and shows the real examples or visuals of how we should teach. So today you're here with me to learn everything step by step and with a clear explanation and real demonstration. Today's topic is feeling. For every topic I always prepare my own flashcards or make a simple handmade materials. Here is how I teach. First, I introduce the topics and show the flashcards. Second, I sing the little song or rhyme related to that topic. Third, we watch a short video about the topics and then we try to match what we saw with the song. You can stop the video anytime and ask your children questions or simply point to the picture and say, "What feeling is this?" So fourth, I do some acting to show the feeling again. This part is fun because children have to guess. It's not only exciting, it also engages all of their sense and help them focus more. At the end, I ask them, how do you feel now? Happy, sad, angry, excited?
Angry? Why are you angry? How's your feeling? Happy. You're happy.